Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're talking about printing, and we did this in a previous video as well in C++. So if you notice here, we call the standard name. So we do cout, but we have to start with standard, so std and then : then cout, and I love programming. Now this has to do with how C++ manages certain features and creates a common namespace for these different things. So standard is something that you would see often, and so cout is obviously part of that. So you have to basically create, say, standard, and then we're going to use cout from that group. And I love programming is the text that we're going to print in that case. But you can eliminate this and not use this. Okay, so if we remove this part, and this just makes it much easier, is if you go up here under the IO stream, so we're including the IO stream so we can do like input, output, different things like that. We're going to add using namespace and then standard. So what's going to happen here is now it knows that we're using this and this is available, and so we don't need to include this portion of it. We can just do cout. Okay, so if I just click on run here now and run this, we'll get the I love programming, and I don't need to have the other part here because up above we're just saying using namespace standard. It just makes it easier. You can just always keep this at the top, and then you don't have to use that down below here in the main when we're just going to call out cout, and then we're going to say that cout and what we're going to go ahead and print to the screen. Just a really simple tip to help you with your programming, and hopefully that helps you with your C++.